welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do, if you are using Android phone, just go ahead and click on your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. So on getting to your Play Store on Android phone, click on search right here. So if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and click on search and come to search app or game right here. Go ahead and type in Copilot. Then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Click on here. Then as at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are using this particular AI app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on install. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on install. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on open. It's going to take you right here. Here, you need to make sure you give allow access to the location, allow access to send you notification and order. Here, you need to make sure you log in to have full access to your Copilot AI in Android. So for you to log in, simply go ahead and click on sign in right here. So you can sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account already, make sure you create a free Microsoft account. So next thing you need to do is to click on continue with Microsoft, because I have a Microsoft account on this phone already. So go ahead and click on continue with Microsoft account. So you'll be taken right here. So here, go ahead and enter your Microsoft account ID. So I'm going to fill up the Microsoft account and then click on use. So I'm going to fill up my Microsoft account username right here. Click on next. So I'll go ahead and enter the Microsoft account password. Click on use. So autofill my password and I'll click on next. Then right here, I'm going to go ahead. So we will send a code to this particular account. So you can decide to verify your email. So click on here now to verify your alternative mail. Then click on send code. And a code is going to be sent to the alternative mail. So what you need to do is to go ahead and fill up the code. So I have my code right here. So the code is 93122 and 8. So automatically you will be logging in successful, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. Then you can start using your Microsoft Copilot AI. You can explore, click on here. You can, for quick response, think deeper. And the more you use this, the more you have so many features as far as this is concerned. You can click on here to do some settings right here. Start a conversation. For you to start a conversation, click on here and ask the Copilot whatever question you have. You can click on here to upload different type of file. You can click on access to camera, photos, and file and ask AI to work on it for you. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Copilot AI, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.